Today, I'll be demonstrating how to repair plastic bumper tabs, ensuring your bumpers sit flush and look good as new. I'll start off by sanding a 1/4 inch strip of what's left of the bumper tab to bare plastic with a belt sander. Then I'll clamp a nylon trim tool wrapped in aluminum foil tape in behind where the tab is missing. This will act as a weld backing and the new plastic will not stick to it. I'll use hot air to melt the new plastic rod into the tab and backing plate, replacing the missing plastic. I'll smooth out the ends of the welds with a flat hot iron and tidy up the hole. I'll quickly cool down the plastic with compressed air. To match the original thickness of plastic, I'll add another layer of plastic rod. With 2 layers of plastic rod melted in, I'll start sanding, shaping, and smoothing the repair. I'll use a belt sander with 80 grit to carefully remove the excess plastic and to level it down as best as possible. A mini sander with 180 grit to smooth it out. And my favorite, a pencil die grinder for those hard to reach areas. All done with the repairs, let's get it back onto the car. If you like this video, check out my YouTube channel where you can find all sorts of auto body videos just like this. And don't forget to subscribe.